Hey paper crafting friends, thanks for tuning in today. I wanted to show you a little bit more about this ink Navigator kit. Now, I had posted some information about this on my Facebook group a while back and some people asked some questions, but I wanted to show it to you a little bit more today because this is being featured in the Not Too Shabby shop and it is on a Black Friday sale for a limited time. So in the description box, you'll find a link to that if you're interested, but I just wanted to show you a little bit more about it. So when you order the Ink Navigator kit, you get this really cool base for resting your ink on. And then you also get this great handle that you can attach to your ink pad. It comes with one set of strips, so it's got a Velcro attachment here. And once you've applied this to one of your stamp pads, this one's gonna stay, okay? So you can buy extras of the strips if you want to be able to use this with more than one of your stamp pads. And I would imagine that that's the case. So I would get them at the same time personally. But I am gonna go ahead and attach this to my Memento Tuxedo Black ink because this is one that I grab anytime I'm gonna be doing any coloring, using my markers, that kind of thing, any painting. So it's definitely the one that I use the most. So let's see. I was gonna stick it on there first, but I think I might as well just put it on the ink pad first. Just get it centered on there. And remember, this is super adhesive. So like I said, once it's there, it's there. You're not going to try to remove it from this and put it on something else. You're just going to buy extras of the strips. So I'm going to go ahead and attach this, remembering this part's Velcro, so this will remove later. Okay, so here we go. And I can remove the lid. Now I don't have to have my fingers near this inky mess, which is fantastic. So I could store this right on here when I'm not using it, which is kind of nice, right? Easy to pick up, easy to put down. I can give this a wipe down when I'm done so it doesn't stay inky, but I love that. So I'm going to just set that off to the side. I have some stamps already loaded in my Stamparatus. And this would be an example of when I tend to get very inky. When I have my stamps already attached either to this or even to a stamping block, when I go to do my inking, I often drop my stamp pad or I'll wrap my fingers too far around the side. But with this, that's not going to happen. So I've got my great block I can hold on to either by the sides or I could hold it from the top, whatever works best. I'm nowhere near the ink. I can make a couple of passes if I want to, whatever it is I need to do. I have really good control and pressure, which is nice. Set it aside. I don't need to worry about putting the lid on. I'm just going to tuck this in the corner. And press these down. Whoop, don't forget my happy anniversary over here. And voila. If there's anything that I need to restamp, of course, with the Stamparatus, I could do that easily. Sometimes I'll go in and just draw in a little line too, like with a Sharpie if need be, but this gives you an idea of how easy it is to use this tool. When I'm ready to put it away, I can go ahead and put my lid on first if I want, so I don't have my ink exposed at all. And then I can just use the Velcro, separate it off, give this a little wipe down, and put it away. So I hope that gives you an idea of how cool this tool is. Remember, take a look in the description box for a link so that you can find this in that Not Too Shabby shop. Awesome for you. It would be an awesome holiday gift. So just a little preview of what this tool is and how it works. And hopefully that answers any questions that you had. Hope you're having a super day, guys, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.